That should do it. Perfect. Time to test this. Be careful with it.
Yeah, whatever. So what do? Do you just pull the trigger and shoot?
I know I have so much space to work on things now.
Speaking of that, what's in the tarp behind you? Is that what I was thinking of an emergency?
Hold on.
Come on, let's just use it. Hello? Anybody home? We'll be home in a couple hours. P.S. The boys are out back playing. Here. Got some rattlesnake eggs, a squirt ring. Oh, perfect. I'm done. Let's go play some video games. Man! There's rattlesnakes in there!
Well, wait, I'm not falling for your tricks.
I did not try to trick you.
How does it even work? It's like so close to the edge. Come on, let's try to pick it up.
I'm not scared of you, you little brats!
Oh, we'll see about that, Ethan. Come on.
All right, what's the plan? Where are you going? Yep,
Yeah.
Legos.
Yeah.
Legos, huh? Is that what the kids are doing nowadays?
Don't worry, we're just gonna go play.
Okay. Wait, look at this. Look at what? The master? Yeah, Angelina, you really got us. I'm gonna go play at that Minecraft. Let's see if it works. Let's do it. What in the world is that? What page am I on? Ugh. How? Oh. What is going on here? I got you now! You?
No, Chloe! Sorry, Aunt Jenna.
Hey guys, this week comes from Hobby Pontes. You guys are...
He's got like a mini foosball table.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that. That's rad.
Thanks for a picture, Grayson.
Next Rampage.
And we'll see you all next time. Ethan, we have a problem.
To stay home. Now he's calling me saying there's strange noises. So Chloe is home alone at this cabin, right? Cabin. Come on, let's go. All right, come on this way. That is sketchy. I think we lost. Looks like for a second. You know, I'm taking a break. I'm gonna do comment of the week. Not a good idea. No. And all right, I'm on my way. I gotta go. Let's see if we can get his attention. Clear here. He should be up there. It's like some sort of claw. All right, Chloe, you there? Okay, come on.
you.
You're taking forever.
I'm hurrying.
This thing. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Go. Come in. What in the world is wrong with you? Me too, I guess.
How long are we gonna be in here?
I don't know. Why'd you throw the pin? Good job. You actually thought of a good idea.
Picture of the week comes from
Clay.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, yeah. Just more. We need a light. Sorry. Alright. Looks like it's clear. It's clear.
Yeah, I think it's clear.
Alright. Is your purse?
You let me, I'm gonna let me through me. I got an idea. He's waiting for you. You better come eat it. Go get it. I really. He's on that side. Go in the garage. We showed him. He won't come back.
Totally play Dino Meal, but my brother didn't play because he was too scared. Down there, if you want to, and as usual, please subscribe and leave a like if you like this video, and I'll see you.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those sound to an A. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those A sound to an E. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those E sound to an I. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Okay, we have 2 minutes before we're gonna go. Sure. Are you crazy? You know what we just might have done? It's a swag whistle. Get your jacket on. We're late.
It's freezing outside.
Right? I'm like, ugh.
Somebody probably has a fire going.
Yeah. Like, breakfast cooking.
Here.
I found
him.
Can you see me?
Yep. Okay, where to go? Walk forward. Watch out, don't fall down the skip. Why is there a fire?
I don't know. You search that side of the bed, I'll search this side of the bed. Do you see anything?
No.
It's back on. Yeah, I think so. I told you not to blow that whistle.
What will you now? Facebook page.
And our Instagram page.
And give it a thumbs up